Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. When you are not looking for life insurance, whatever you are just out of college and facing the challenge of paying student loan or saving money for a major life milestone, such as buying your first house, life insurance may not be top of mind right now. You may even think that life insurance is reversed for recent parents or wealthy individuals with expensive assets, but you may in one of the best positions to look in better deal when it comes to buying life insurance. There are several types of insurance that each have their own potential advantages given your current life stage. The first type, permanent life insurance, such as whole life insurance, never expire if you keep your premium payments up to date. In one other words, the coverage lasts of your whole life. In addition to the guaranteed money, your beneficiary will receive your pass away. Whole life comes with an added financial benefit that you can use during your life, known as cash value. Whole life insurance grow in value in your lifetime and provide insurance protection now while also building cash value each year. Your cash value is isolated from market functions, so it will be there or then you will be there. By comparison, the second major type of life insurance called term life insurance. With term life, the financial coverage lasts for a set amount of time. There are chosen terms which can range up to 30 years. It's initially more cost effective and does offer your loved one a firm financial protection. However, term has certain disadvantages. It does not have a cash value benefit, and when your term is up and life insurance coverage is up to. While while it provides financial coverage for your pass away before your term is over, when this coverage ends, you have no access to renew term life insurance when you are older, will typically most such more and most likely involve taking a medical exam. Many people have both term and permanent life insurance coverage to help with protection and the coverage of you. Being young is a cost advantage for a 30-year-old. The premium for a $5,000 whole life insurance policy is about $50 per month. 550 per month. For comparison, at age 40, that same whole life policy premium is about $785 per month. At age 50, $1,000 per month. For a 20-year term policy, while cost less than whole life, the saving you are receiving by sign up while you are young could have money available for other important expenses but down the line. As an added benefit, you may be able to more coverage as your third life stage without having to do thought that prove of healthy process again. People tend to lose healthy as they age, building for the future. A whole life insurance policy can enhance your financial portfolio as part of the range as of product and investment that will help you as you age because you are cash value over time. Your life insurance policy become an asset that you can use for things like funding a new business, purchasing a home, or paying for education expenses. Even better, once the money is created to the policy, that money is guaranteed by the insurance policy and insulated from market function. If you get your whole life policy from the mutual insurance company, you can share in the company's success in the form of potential dividend payments, which you can collect as income into the policy used to offset future payments or to purchase additional coverage. Also, the fact that your premium payments never go up for your whole life is likely to eventually make them seem relatively affordable. More than that, you are covered by life insurance that can be cancelled as long as premium payments are made and will leave guaranteed income tax free money to beneficiaries and these people or charities you pick to receive your insurance company. If you like, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.